Hello everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial for xTool F1. Today we will show you how to replace the control panel. This video has two parts. In the first part, we will remove the used knob control board, and in the second part, we will install a new knob control board. Now let's dive right in. Power off the machine and remove the key. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the two screws on the rear plate. Remove the 4 screws from the exhaust fan and the pipe holder. Use the Phillips screw to remove the 2 screws from the bottom plate. Remove the knob and apply masking tape on the button to prevent it from falling out. Remove the rear plate. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the 5 screws from the used control board. Take out the board. Flip up the connector clip to release the cable and pull it out. Grab the replacement control board, flip up the clip on the connector so the cable can fit in, and then press it down to tighten the cable. Ensure the knob control board is aligned with the groove. Use the cross screwdriver to install the 5 screws back into the knob control board. Install the rear plate. Use the cross screwdriver to install the 2 screws back to the rear plate. Use the Phillips screwdriver to install the 2 screws back on the bottom plate. Attach the exhaust pipe holder to the exhaust fan using the 4 screws and the cross screwdriver. Install the knob back and remove all masking tape. Finally, insert the key back into its original position. We hope this video is helpful. Feel free to contact the xTool support team if you have any questions.